So here we finally have the put together version of the anemometer. The anemometer is on top. The wires are going from the Hall sensor, which is right there, right there. And the wires are going inside a PVC pipe, which is on the top of it. And it's coming in. There's a glass enclosure here, so you can see what's going on inside. And this is the whole interface for the anemometer. Basically, as I spin the thing, there's a little signal from the Hall sensor. I made that whole little board into that little tiny board. And it's usually an up to down signal, but I have it on a little inverter there. And then that goes and that gates this, the brains of the operation, which is a CD4017 counter, and that goes to 3 separate stages. First stage is the quiescent, waiting for a signal from the Hall sensor. Once the first Hall sensor signal comes in, it goes to the second stage. Second stage, it starts counting the period counter. Once the period is counted, it goes to the third stage, which is an 18 kilohertz clock. That's the green light there. It also gates that the stable 555 timer to provide a more stable signal. That signal gets output through the yellow wire into the reader, and that's miles per hour. That's the final counter set of counters. That's CD40110 counters, the previous frequency circuit. And if I'm spinning it pretty fast, it gives me a faster reading, so that's pretty good. And then after the conclusion of the third phase, it automatically gets reset. Everything gets reset, and it goes to the quiescent phase, ready for the next period to measure, next period of rotation to measure. So I had to add some capacitors to stabilize the circuit a little bit, but for the most part, it works just fine. The only thing that I'm lacking here is I have to fix the grounding signal for the 0 LED or the LED display. The top one is a little bit off, so I had the A signal. So I just have to resolder that a little bit because it's making a faulty connection. But for all intents and purposes, we are working. Thanks for watching.